Vlogmas is here. Time for holiday cheer. Day 8 has begun, so come join. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm in Tesco and I found these. Amazing! I love white chocolate biscuits and they never come out except at Christmas time. Oh my god, my favourite is still white chocolate digestives, which they have never brought back, but that's fine. These Oreos are good. Some idiot who's parked next to me is parked really wonky, and now I'm really worried that I'm not going to be able to drive out properly because he parked wonky. And I thought I parked wonky, but actually I was very straight, so I'm pretty pleased with that. I'm heading off to Woking Town Station to get to London because I'm going to go bowling later. Hello, I'm in Costa. Got me a hazelnut praline hot chocolate and they have paper straws. I'm so excited. This is the best Christmas hot chocolate out of all the shops that I've tried so far. I have to say the Starbucks caramel, salted caramel brownie one is okay. It tastes a lot like brownie, not a lot like caramel, but that's fine. And then the Belgian hot chocolate one from Nero is pretty good too, but this is the best one that I've found, if you like hazelnut. Okay, go! You can be in my video! Watching it up. We're at Sticking Home. This is a sparkling daiquiri. Thank you! Just gonna watch the sparkles now. Try it! These are the other drinks. Done now. I'm trying the daiquiri now to count the sparkler. Nice, I did split it a bit. Look at this. Oh, look at all these little things. Candy corn salt, popping candy infused butter, maple syrup and Coca-Cola. And then they've got marshmallow mac and cheese, snow top elf cheese. These are so cool. Let's have a look at this. We've got ribeye steak and camembert. Just FYI, my steak is medium rare. I don't have well done steak. Santa's on the tube! Santa's! I got the cuddling. Yeah. Look at Matt's jumper. It's a shame there isn't one here. This is going in my vlog by the way. This is our mate Atik.
Oh, he's curving it. Got it, you know. He got a spare.
Oh! We're having Vietnamese food. So basically, I took on a bowl because I was going to break my nails, and I did, and I broke my nail. So I can tell, but it's kind of hard, so I gave up bowling halfway through. But before that, I did get a strike, so yeah. I've got prawns. You can't really tell, but there's prawns in here. With chicken soup.
You want a lemon?
And some coriander.
You want a...
Oh my gosh, I forgot to end the vlog last night after bowling and food. It was pretty much it. Just went home and then I forgot to vlog. So yeah. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.